right, so the first question we are looking at here will be on dichotomous key, and if you're writing IGCSE, either core or extended, you will know that dichotomous key, you cannot run away from them. And then if you actually know what you are doing, these are some of the questions that you can be very sure you are getting your maximum score for, and they should be bonus. The questions on dichotomous key should be bonus for you, so you should be looking forward to them, and then these should be things you should use to build your score. So let's start with this. Plant species can be identified using a dichotomous key. Figure 2.2 shows the leaves from 6 plant species A to F. So this is, you can see here, plant A, B, C, D, E, and F, or not to scale. Okay, that does not matter. So let's see. Use the key to identify the species shown in figure 2.2. Write the letter of each species A to F in the correct box in the key. So now, using the dichotomous key is pretty simple. You just have to follow the information, right? The instruction. You have one statement. One statement will lead you to two sets of statements. And then from that to one of the statements will also lead you to another 2 sets of statements. So you are picking what is correct based on what you can see from the picture that is given to you. So you just have to follow the instruction. Go to number 2, go to number 3, go to 2, go to 3. Just follow the instruction. You cannot miss this. So let's start. From number 1, it says 1A. Leaf has a smooth unlobed outline. Let's come back to check this picture. There are 6 pictures here, A to F. Which one of them has a smooth outline? So if I'm picking here, that definitely will be A and F, right? As you can see here, it will be A and F, right? So the other ones have they are lobed. The other ones are not smooth. So we are going to for statement 1A, just A and F are true. So we go to 2. Leaf is more than, at 2A, it says leaf is more than twice as it is wide. So if it is more than twice as it is wide, it will be Laurus nobilis. You don't have to bother yourself with the scientific name here. So let's look at A and F. Which one? Definitely can be A. A is not twice as long as it is wide, so it has to be F, right? So it means for 2A, our answer here is going to be, look at it, that's 2A, right? So our answer here is going to be F. So you just write F here, simple. So we're done with that, right? So, and then the second statement says leaf is not more than twice as long as it is wide. So that would be A, right? That would be the second one we did not pick. So that's A now. So we are writing A here. Oh, sorry, I said A. We are writing A. So let me write this F very well, and then this is A, right? Okay. So let's go to the next line. 3. Then let's go back to statement 1. We are done with statement 2. So you go back to 1. We've not done 1B. So 1B says leaf does not have a smooth unlobed outline. So go to 3. So now I'm coming back to 3. I'm coming to 3. Leaflets are present. If leaflets are present, that is the remaining one. For now that we've done A, we are done with A. So let's cancel them out. Let's just cancel A and F out. This is done. This is done. So I'm left with the remaining ones. It says leaf does not have leaflets, right? You know, leaflets are, this is supposed to be one. This is A is 1 leaf, F is 1 leaf, C and B 1 leaf. But then you can see that D has leaflets, E has leaflets, even B seems to have leaflets, just that they are not completely separated, right? So let's look at that statement again. I want to be sure what it says. Leaf is not more than, 3. Leaflets are present. Go to 4. So that is D and E. So we are going to D and E, right? We are going to 4 with D and E. So at 4, more than 5 leaflets are present. More than 5. D and E, which one has more than 5? So obviously it is D, right? So for more than 5 leaflets are present. Oh, okay, I did not even do the first one. The first one says only 5 leaflets are present. So only 5 leaflets, that is E. So we write E here. So let's write E here. And then the more than 5% leaflets, that would be D. Okay. So the one that says more than 5 leaflets, that will be this. So we are done with this also, we are done with this also. So now let's go back to, we are left with B and C, and that is statement 4. We are done with statement 4. So we go back to 3. Leaflets are not present, you go to 5. Now for 5, I have just 2 remaining, B and C. 5 says leaf has spikes on its outer edge. Which one has spikes? That will be C, right? You can see. So this will be, that will be C, and then the second statement will be B. Leaf does not have spikes on its outer edge. So B does not. That is C and B, right? For the last one. So we're writing here C and B. So we are done. We should be sure that our answer is correct here. So this is 5 marks, and you can easily get this.